Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free MCQ series. Prelims Level Up MCQ series is Plums. So as part of Plum series, we are dealing daily 5 MCQs. Okay, this is episode number 125 on April 8, 2023. That is CSAT Math Aptitude and Reasoning MCQs will be dealt today as part of Plums. So on Tuesday, Geography Environment MCQs will be dealt. Wednesday is about Polity, Governance and Schemes. Thursday is about Economics, Budget and Survey. Saturday, CSAT Math Aptitude and Reasoning. And Sunday, Sir is going to take Current Affairs, Maps, IR. On Monday, Sir is going to take History, Art and Culture. And on Friday, he is going to take Science and Technology. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing this UPSC exam. So there are lots of other videos which are there in Vysh IAS YouTube channel, like videos related to history, geography, environment, art and culture, science and technology, ethics, governance, social justice, society and whatnot. Everything is available for free. So in future, definitely it will only available for the subscribers who subscribed to Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So please kindly subscribe to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and also click the notification bell icon. Second step that you can do in order to get benefit out of us is WhatsApp to this number, that is 7200681675 as UPSC free. So you can ask for different foundational videos, and if you have any doubts regarding the channel or regarding the exam, you can ask over there. So now let's start today's video. First MCQ. The information below represents the relationship between different persons. Study this and answer the questions that follow. If A plus B means A is the father of B, A into B means A is the sister of B, so on. You can read, you can pause the video and read these 5 conditions. What should come in the place of the question mark to establish J is the brother of T? So in this particular question, what should be in the place of question mark? If J is the brother of T, they have given the condition that J is the brother of T. Now let's write the data. J divided by P. A divided by B is nothing but A is son of B. Definitely J divided by P is nothing but J is son of P. J is son of P. So I am representing male with plus. Okay. P percentage H. P percentage H is nothing but P is mother of B. So as the condition, A percentage B means A is mother of B. P percentage H is P is mother of H. P is mother of H. If P is mother of H, definitely J and P should be siblings. I am representing siblings with equal to. Okay, with the symbol called equal to. And H question mark T, and we have to find that question mark. And T percentage L. T percentage L is nothing but, if A divided by, A percentage B is nothing but A is mother of B. So T is mother of L. T is mother of L. So I am representing female character as minus. Okay. So they have given the condition that J should be brother of T. J should be brother of T. Definitely this 3 will become siblings. If J is brother of T, definitely this 3 will become siblings. So I am writing this data over here. Okay. So we have to find the relation between H and T. The value of question mark is nothing but H and T's relation. H and T, I have written the data wrongly. One second. Here it is H not P. Okay. The relationship between H and T is nothing but they both are siblings. Okay. H should be brother of T or sister of T. Let's see what is there in the options. So so if you look at the given conditions, if you look at where is the sister, so sister is present in the second second condition, which is mentioned as A into B means A is the sister of B. So into can be the answer. Brother is never given here. Brother is not given here, only sister is given. So A into B is nothing but A is sister of B. In the same way, H into T, H is sister of T. So into can be the possible solution for this particular thing. So into, that is in the option number A, that is the answer for the question number 1. If you have not understood this solution, you can pause your video at this particular slide and you can once cross check the solution so that you will understand it. Okay. Now let's solve MCQ number 2 for the same question, for the same conditions. Here they asked I plus T percentage J into L divided by K is definitely true. If it is true, which of the options will be satisfying to that particular equation? So let's write. Okay, I plus T is nothing but plus is nothing but A is father of B. I is father of T. I is father of T. I is male, so I am representing with minus. T percentage J means T is mother of B. So T is mother of J. T is mother of J. T is mother of J. So T is mother, so I am representing with plus. J into L. J into L. A into B is nothing but A is sister of B. J into L, so J is sister of L. Okay, J equal to L, that is nothing but these both are siblings. J is nothing but it should be minus. Okay, the further data is L divided by K. L divided by K. A divided by B is nothing but A is son of B. L divided by K is nothing but L is son of K. If L is son of K, definitely these both, this T and K will be definitely wife and husband. If T is husband, K will be definitely, if T is wife, K is nothing but husband. Here I have taken for male, I have taken minus, for female I have taken plus. Definitely K is nothing but male. So the relationship between I and K is nothing but I is mother-in-law of K, K is son-in-law of I, which is given in the option number 2. Option number B is correct answer for question number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. Which among the following expressions indicate the M is the daughter of D? So for the same question they are asking us, we have to find, they have given the condition M is the daughter of D in which of the following options. So you have to cross check everything, but I am taking only option number 2. Okay, in order to make you teach you people how to solve this question. So you have to check for each and every option given in the question, but I am only taking the correct option over here. You can cross check with option number A, option number C and option number D also. Okay, L plus one second, L plus R so this is given in the option number 2. Let's find out. Let's draw the relation. L plus R is nothing but A is father of B. A plus B is nothing but A is father of B. So L is father of R. L is father of R. So father is represented like male. Here I am representing with plus. In the last question for male I have represented with minus. In this question I am representing male with plus. You don't need to confuse. Okay, you can take whatever you want. You can represent with star, you can represent with square or anything that you want. In order to simplify it easily, just remember any one symbol. Here I am taking, for male I am taking it as plus. So L plus R is nothing but L is father of R. So I am representing in this particular way. R, this is dollar symbol. So R and D relation. Here it is given, the symbol is given in the third condition. A is wife of B. So R is wife of D. R is wife of D. So R is wife, so I am representing with minus. So D plus M. Okay, D plus M. D is father of M. D is father of M. Okay. M into T. M into T. M is sister of T. M is sister of T. These both are siblings, so I am representing with equal to. M is sister, so I am putting it as minus. So they have given M is the daughter of D, where it is possible. M is the daughter of D. In this particular equation, when you are writing the condition, M is daughter of D. This is what is given. Okay, M is daughter of D. So option number B is correct from the question number 3. You can solve this question by checking from A, C and D also. You have to check. You have to tell me in the comment box what will be the relationship of D and M in the option number A. What will be the relation between D and M in option C and option D also. Please mention in the comment box. Okay. Question number 4. Santu and Rocky are athletes. Santu covers a distance of 1 kilometer in 5 minutes and 50 seconds, while Rocky covers the same distance in 6 minutes and 4 seconds. If both of them start together and run at uniform speed, by what distance will Santu win a 5 kilometer mini marathon? Okay, they have given the conditions and they have told by what distance will Santu win a 5 kilometer mini marathon. So, Santu covered a distance of 1 kilometer in 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, they have given the condition that Santu traveled 1 kilometer in 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Therefore, he'll cover 5 kilometers in 25 minutes and 250 seconds. That is 29.16 minutes. So, how they have got this particular thing? So, speed is equal to distance by time, right? Okay, distance in the first condition is given as 1 kilometer. Speed is nothing but distance, that is 1 kilometer by 5 minutes 50 seconds. Oh, okay. So we have taken in as 1 kilometer. We have to convert this 5 minutes 50 seconds into hours, or else you can take you can convert this 1 kilometer into 1000 meters and convert 5 minutes and 50 seconds totally into seconds. You will get certain speed. Okay. After getting certain speed, you have to substitute the speed in this equation again. You have to substitute the speed is equal to distance. Here distance should be taken as 5 kilometers in the second case. That is 5 kilometers is nothing but 5000 meters by time. So we have to find time in the second case. If you are solving in that way, you will definitely get this solution, that is 29.16 minutes. Rocky covers the 1 kilometer in 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Therefore the speed is, so by using the same formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time, you have to calculate the Rocky speed also. Rocky speed definitely will become 1 kilometer by 6.06 kilometer per minute. Okay, they have got the answer in kilometer per minute. Here also we have found in minutes, so we are finding in kilometer per minute only. Okay, therefore the distance covered by Rocky in 29.16 minutes is, so why you are taking the distance covered by Rocky in 29.16 minutes only? We have to find how much distance Rocky has travelled in which Santu has completed the 5 kilometers. So Santu has taken 29.16 minutes of time in order to cover 5 kilometers. So for the same time, how much did Rocky cover? This is what we have to find. So we have found that Rocky has covered 4.8 kilometers in the 29.16 minutes. So he covered 4.8 kilometers. So he is 0.2 kilometers behind Rocky. Right? He is 0.2 kilometers behind Santu. I'm sorry. Rocky is 0.2 kilometers behind Santu. 0.2 kilometers is nothing but 200 meters. So this is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. The average age of husband, wife and their child 3 years ago was 27 years and that of the wife and child 5 years ago was 20 years. The present age of husband is. Okay. They have given this particular data. Let's take the husband age. The present age of husband as H. The present age of wife has W, and present age of child as C. Okay, we have taken this particular data. So, if their present ages are H, W and C, definitely their ages 3 years ago are H minus 3 plus W minus 3 and C minus 3. The average of their ages 3 years ago, that is H minus 3 plus W minus 3 plus C minus 3 by 3 is equal to 27. That 27 years is given in the question. So, if you calculate this particular equation, 27, this 3 will be multiplied with 27. 27 into 3 is nothing but 81. 81, this minus 9 will go to the RHS and it will become plus 9. So, 81 plus 9 is nothing but 90. So, we have got the sum of their present ages as 90. Okay, we have to remember that we have got the sum of their present ages, that is H plus W plus C as 90. Okay, if you read the further condition and that of the wife and children 5 years ago. So, okay, if we take 5 years ago, W minus 5 plus children C minus 5 by 2 is equal to 20. Okay. 20 into 2 is 40. W plus C minus 10 is equal to 40. W plus C is nothing but 50. We have got the value of W plus C as 50. If you substitute this particular thing in this equation, we'll get it as H plus W minus C's value is 50 is equal to 90. Okay. 90 minus 50 is nothing but 90 minus 50 is nothing but 40 years. Okay, husband's present age is 40. So 40, that is option number B, is the correct answer for question number 5. So I've given two homeworks to you. One homework is, you can I have described how to solve this problem in today's video. Today I have told you how to solve this particular problem. The calculations part is something which you have to do today. Okay, you have to even improve calculation speed and calculation should be done. If you know the process also, there will be no use if you don't know calculation part. So that is the reason I'm giving you homework. You have to calculate by it yourself and mention that calculation in the comment box, or you can tell the final answer. If you are done with the calculation, just write done in the comment box. It is just for your satisfaction. And the second homework that I have given to you is, I have taken only option number B. In order to cross check this, I have taken only option number B. Right, you have to check even for option number A, option number C and option number D also, and mention what is the relationship between D and M in all the remaining 3 options in the comment box. So this is the homework that I have given to you today. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this session. So definitely I'm hoping that you will comment in the comment box for the given homework, and stay tuned to our channel, and let's meet with another Plums MCQ series in the next video, that is tomorrow, and stay tuned. Bye bye.